Hey all, this is Simrita Basroor. I thought of creating a short video to explain to you all something very important which I had discovered last year, and I have been trying that and it has helped me in a great way. So I'll just show you here. Here are these flowers. You must have heard these flowers as Gokarn flower or Aparajita flower, and इसका speciality यही है that if you have this in boiled water, it helps immensely. So here I'm adding hot water. Adding these flowers and letting it settle down. There are few things that need to be considered in this. First of all, as usual, जो भी आप फूल लोगे अपराजिता के, see to it that it's clean and good to use. Second, you saw me putting the boiling water, so no need to take so much. I just wanted to explain to you in the video, so I put it. But जितना आपको होता है उतना पानी, जितना आप गर्म पानी पी सकते हो उतना पानी लीजिए, and put these flowers in that. All right. Let it settle down, because then what happens is it changes the color slowly by slowly. Now see here, इसका color इस water में आया है पानी में. So just see how it looks. It looks blue. All right. It's blue in color. Once it's blue in color, you can just take out these flowers and set it aside for a while. Now, as a nature lover, I would suggest that those flowers जो आपने बाजू में रखे हैं, वो you can just put it in the soil. Do not just discard them. And second thing, अभी ये जो आपने देखा color, it is blue color. But I would show you one more trick. Like, do understand that this drink has no taste. ऐसा कुछ specific taste नहीं होता है. But it's always better to have something that is beneficial for your health. And take it, because हर एक चीज टेस्टी होनी है जरूरी नहीं है when it comes to your health, because your health is of prime importance. So this Aparajita flower का drink will help you replenish your mind as well as your body. I'll just show you the trick now and we'll end the video. So this is the glass जहाँ पे मैंने वो flowers डाले थे, and you can see I've taken a lemon, small one. Just when you squeeze the lemon, voila, it's purple. Can you see the purple drink? Yeah. That's the power of lemon for this drink. Churn it and then have it. So yeah, that was it. Do understand one more thing, that जब आप lemon डालोगे तो वो lemon उस flower का जो भी subtle taste है उसको overpower करेगा. It depends on you whether you want to add a bigger lemon. मैंने एक बहुत छोटा वाला lemon लिया था, छोटा size लिया था, because main thing is that the Aparajita flower या Gokarn flower का essence should go in your body. And I do this myself twice a week or thrice a week, and it really helps. इसके benefits ये है कि it helps you to for your mental health, for your emotional stability, helps you to understand things better. And जैसे जैसे आप it is advisable to take it twice a week or thrice a week at the most. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do understand that this has been we are wholly and solely we are self-experience. You need to understand that ये जो भी है ये tried और rather trial and error वाले हैं. समझ में आता है कि ये लेने से actual में कितना benefit होता है और कितना नहीं, जब आप time देते हो. जब भी ये flowers available होते हैं, I have it. I don't have it on daily basis, so I can't vouch for it completely. But whenever I have had it during the entire week, or at least I see to it that once I've started to have it, I have it for at least 2 weeks or 3 weeks, so that I understand what the effect is. Minimum 1 month और 3 months देने चाहिए किसी भी चीज को समझने के लिए, that whether it's helping your body and your mind. So that's it. Thank you so much.